It's Ellen from the Kennebecasis Watershed Restoration Committee, and welcome back to another Watershed Walk. This week, I want to take you along with us as we monitor the water flow of some local tributaries. Like our temperature data collection over the summer, water flow monitoring will give us a better understanding of the properties of the streams and rivers within our watershed. Flow is a function of volume and velocity, factors which may determine how quickly a body of water erodes banks or degrades pollution, as well as what kind of aquatic organisms may live there and how flow affects their habitats. To put this information to use, however, we need to build up credible baseline data. Our hope is to create some of this data and make it available for future research. This information may help in climate change research, flood prediction, determining the effects of precipitation on each tributary, and how much water each contributes to the larger scale. Recognizing these patterns will be useful in choosing a course of action if, for instance, heavy rainfall is expected which may cause flooding or bank erosion. Every 2 weeks, we go out to the same streams and ensure our measurements are made in the same spot each time so that the data will be consistent. We measure the width of the stream from water's edge to water's edge, and then measure depth and flow at 3 measured intervals across the stream using a flow monitoring probe. This device has a short tube at the end fitted with a propeller. The user slowly moves the wand up and down within the water column, and the device gives us an average flow measurement. We collect additional data such as total dissolved solids, temperature, and acidity using a YSI water quality monitoring meter. Not only is this task an essential component to building up important data concerning our water's health, but our members also gain experience using these tools and recording the findings. Learning about our environment is so much more impactful when we get to see it for ourselves. Monitoring is fun because we love to get outside and into the water and to enjoy the beauty of our watershed around us as we work to keep it that way. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Watershed Walk. We would also like to thank our sponsors for making the work we do here at the KWRC possible. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more of what we do and follow us on social media. See you next time!